Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the console directly in Valorant settings. Do that now. Once done, bind a key, I recommend the backtick, or a convenient key, and make sure it's saved. If the console still won't appear, restart Valorant to apply the change. You're not just toggling a feature, you're creating a quick command channel. Press the bound key in any match or practice range to bring up the console and prepare for the next step. You should test every command in the practice range first, because this protects your account and keeps settings predictable. Once inside, type a command such as r/drawtracers first-person 0 to remove tracers or cl crosshair color 5 to change color, then press enter. You can combine commands on one line with semicolons, but make sure each command is allowed. Riot penalizes cheats. If you need precise timing, enter command. You finalize changes by saving frequently used commands into an auto-exec. CFG file so they load automatically. Place it in the game's config folder. When a command doesn't work, check spelling, use proper quotes for string values, and restart the client to force reload. If the console refuses to open, inspect keybind conflicts and run Valorant as administrator to clear permission issues. One troubleshooting tip: if unexpected behavior appears, remove recent commands from auto-exec.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.